Yo, we got the product, bro. This thing. So basically, we're melting. We got the new condenser right here. I better see my finger. Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another freaking banger. Today, bro, as you most know, and if you're new to the channel, I've been waiting for some parts to swap the whole AC system of the car, and we finally got the condenser. That was the last piece I was waiting on the last blog, and I got a whole mess in here, but the old condenser is out, and I started already getting things out. I gotta flush the radiator system, the water cooling system. I gotta refresh all that because in the past years I've used water like once or twice, so I gotta clean all that and change the thermostat and all that. But that's gonna be later on the video. But we're almost done. Condenser is out, so I'm gonna install the new condenser real quick. So we got the new condenser right here. My bad if you see my fingers, I'm basically shoeless right now. So old condenser, I'm basically installing everything new. Lines are, yo, what the fuck going on, man? I actually did O-rings, new O-rings, all the lines. I had to unclog the lines too, because if you don't know, these lines were full of crap because the old compressor broke on me. So it was a little hectic, but we're back into installing everything back in. Yo, gang, so condenser is officially on. I don't know if you can see, shining. We out with the new one. Tranquile. Basically, we're mounting all the lines back into the compressor and the new condenser. Got this line on, got the dryer. I'm trying to fit everything to match how it was. And then we gotta take off the old evaporator out of this box and put the new one and connect it. Yo, I'm here taking the evaporator all apart, and bro, this is insane how clogged up the expansion bulb is, and the whole evaporator, bro, is literally full of them little pebbles. So on the car, everything is basically on. I'm literally waiting on my little brother to bring me 2 O-rings because the ones I'm using are not fitting. But other than that, bro, everything is on. Lines are on. Waiting to throw on the new evaporator on the little box, install the evaporator, connect everything, and it might be working today. Here we are installing the new expansion bulb on the evaporator. This is the old one, dirty, crusty, new one. So we're basically getting everything tied on. You know what I'm saying? Everything nice and tight. Yo, gang, it's the next day. The Mirage has the whole system, new AC system installed. Right now I'm gonna go buy a product to polish the lips because the event, the big event is going on in a couple weeks, and I'm gonna be taking the car to Tuner Evo, so you already know we gotta polish them lips. Wanky, ¿qué tienes que decirle? Este cabrón va. Así que le piden foto cuando lo vea. Yo, we got to O'Reilly. We're gonna get some product to polish them wheels. Cause bro, I've been I've been not using the cover and the wheels are a little filthy. Yo, we got the product, bro. This thing.
Ya hace rato estoy sintiendo que me voy a tener que botar cuna.
No.
Estoy sintiendo como un olor en la cuna. Voy a buscar un vasito para echarle aceite.
Para el block, burrito. Yo, gang. Yesterday, bro. I went to O'Reilly. We bought the mothers, the little product. Here it is, the little product to polish them lips. And I got to the crib and I didn't record nothing because it was dark. I was just chilling with the homies. So everything on the car is back on. All the AC system is officially on. The whole system is completely refreshed and new condenser, new evaporator, new expansion bulb, new dryer. I actually unclogged all the lines and drained everything with water and air. So everything is finally back on. The car is sitting kind of dirty, but we got everything back on, bro. New condenser, lines, dryer, evaporator inside of the car, everything, bro. So we are officially one step ahead, almost done to be outside. Oh, another thing. Car is officially inspected and registered. So
they must have amnesia. They forgot that I'm him. That Burberry backwoods pack hitting that pussy smell like a Hellcat V8.
We might be outside today or maybe on the next block because I got to test the car and see how if I need to adjust anything and all that. But we're finally with the on dates and register the car. So these days I just been, bro, I know I took a couple days from YouTube, but I was having a lot of things going on at the same time. Daly's back outside as well. Y'all remember I was changing the rack and pinion. Daily is back outside. So all these days I was just working on bringing the Daily back because I needed to move around to buy stuff from the brand and all that. So Daily is back outside. Full new AC system on the car. I still gotta do like minor adjustments. Like I still gotta buy some real lights, some signal lights for the car. What else? I gotta polish the lips, a couple things, but nothing major, you know what I'm saying? So I really apologize for leaving the channel for a couple days, but I had so many things, working on orders, working on the AC of the car, working on the rack and pinion, that I really couldn't concentrate, you know what I'm saying? So we are back. We're officially back. Both cars, I still gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta wash and all that, but cars are back. Yo, let me do a little start and show you. Oh, I still gotta buy a new battery as well for this thing because it's kind of dead. I don't know if it's dead, but it's kind of dead. Yo, don't mind the mess. I gotta clean up the car, but we're officially back with AC. Yes, sir. You see that green button? You see that green button? Bro, I'm so happy that we got AC on the car. So good, bro. This is... Oh my God, cold AC, man. Bro, this is why I did it, bro. Because Puerto Rico, with this hot weather, we officially need AC on the car, bro. And I'm not about to be mobbing without AC, bro. Blasting that AC. I gotta put everything back together. Everything, I gotta clean up the car. I gotta put everything back together. But we're almost done to be outside. So probably tomorrow we're gonna be outside. I don't know. I gotta take the car outside eventually. Yo, the AC was a must, for real, a must. Yo, super happy that both cars are back on the game. Daily's back outside. This is back outside. I mean, not outside like right now, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna be outside tomorrow. So by the way, y'all remember on the past vlog I washed the car. It's full of bird shit once again. Yo gang, we went ahead and came to the tire shop to buy a tire for the Daily. So estoy aquí con el bellotísimo, ahora. Ay, qué falta. Ahí está. New tire for the Daily. I already know. Yo, y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta go cop some Merc, cause these cars are gonna get me broke. Ghostbusters! Fresh meat, you know what I'm saying? A ver, bello, dice que apagó el mantecado hoy, mira. Yo, gang, new tire on the Daily. We got to the crib, and this vlog is gonna end up right here. First of all, I just want to say sorry for being inactive for a couple days, but since I didn't have the XB outside and all that, and I was working on both cars at the same time. I was a little stressed, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't record too much, but we back and we outside. Next vlog, we're gonna be outside on the car, AC, bro. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, sorry for being a little bit inactive for the channel. I just took a couple days to finish basically finish the Daily, because I needed the Daily ASAP, because I needed to do orders and all that and pick up materials for orders on the brand that I want to slide the brand right here. If you follow me on YouTube and you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm the owner of Static Mobs, and if you want to cop some Merc, go right here on the link. I'm gonna leave it on the description too, because it's quicker. It's just a click. But thank you so much for understanding. Thank you so much for watching. And outside content is about to it's about to bring a big ass vibe, you know what I'm saying? A lot of cars, a lot of static content, scrape outside POBs. It's coming hot. So see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace. Yo, before ending the vlog, I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls real quick. Even though the car's dirty, you know what I'm saying? Because you just